Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Okay, so this next video is on energy transformation. So there's a relationship between muscle tension, fascia tension, and the feeling of the vital energy you're producing from tuning the fascia and the idea of chi. When you slow that down with a deep sense of relaxation, there's a transformation between these levels. So this energy transformation in internal martial arts and Qigong is really the heart of the training. Now, a lot of systems say, okay, yeah, just relax. You have to learn how to relax without letting go of tension. Now, this is a bit of a dichotomy, a contradiction, because people perceive relaxation as an idea of letting go of tension, but it's to move tension to a different place. So when we move tension from the muscle's contracting, to the fascia, we control it through the joint. We need to relax the joint open to maintain the tension. Now, if you're touching a person and you're working with your partner in push hands or wrestling with them, you need structure in order to absorb. So this is your first step: muscle to tendon change, muscle to fascia through relaxing and transferring tension. Now, as you develop your Qigong skills, you're going to be finding that as you relax into the stretch, you tune the stretch to a feeling of life force, a magnetic fluid. This is your next transformation. You transform their energy into your fascia, which tunes your stretch to produce more life force. That means they're fueling your life force through them giving you power and tension. And you just relax and transform it across. From there, to move from this vital power to chi, we need to release time. So we do this through the 4-cycle breath training exercises. We breathe the life force in, you slow everything down, you enter the stillness, and as you breathe out, you go into a feeling of chi. Chi follows gravity and it sinks. Now, as you cultivate this releasing of time and slowing the vital feeling down, and you start sinking the chi, this gives you your basics of Qigong. Most Qigong systems talk about sinking the chi. So what happens is you feel gravity acting upon your body, you move from muscle, through the fascia, through the life force, release and slow everything down, let the muscles hang, and the chi sinks. It follows gravity. Now, it will cling to the bones, it'll cling to the marrow, it'll cling to the skeletal structure first. It'll move inwards as you relax. Because your body doesn't want to let go of chi, it wants to hold it. So it tends to stick to the marrow. Now, the bones and the marrow are really like the battery acid of your body. It's what stores energy. When your bones thin out, you get weak. When your bones thicken, you get strong. And this is also relevant to your chi. When your bones are thick and strong, your chi is strong. Your vitality is strong. So we want to build our bones up as much as possible so we have more storage capacity. A lot of the minerals in the body are also what allow for high levels of conductivity of energy through the cells and through the energy field. So we want to have strong bones to store all those minerals. Out of all the supplementation that I've experimented with, mineral supplements tend to be the best. So look at what types of minerals you can explore, everything from electrolytes through to all the oddball minerals that are coming out in nutritional science, and play with them and see which ones gives you more energy, more conductivity. What they won't do is give you more chi. They'll just allow you to conduct more chi. Okay, so this energy transformation, the relationship between muscle tension, relaxing, hanging the muscles, opening the joints to create fascia tension, tuning that fascia tension to the feeling of vitality through the building the ball Qigong, whole body pore breathing exercises, and then sinking the chi by slowing everything down. Just releasing the breath, releasing the mind, releasing time, and get a nice, slow, deep stillness inside your feeling of energy. The energy just drops and the body just hangs, so that when you're practicing your Qigong form, your Tai Chi form, whatever movements you're working on, that the rhythm and the feeling is slowed down so the chi sinks. Now, you want to guide external forces that are being placed on your body through this feeling quality of sinking. And as you sink the chi, through the muscle tension, through the fascia tension, through the life force tension, into the astral chi tension, you're going to find that this is energy transformation. Whether you're working within meditation, when you work this in meditation, when you relax the body into the chi, your subconscious mind becomes very still and you achieve equanimity much quicker than meditating on an object externally. So if we, let's say, okay, I'm going to concentrate on that object, everything starts slowing down and then the mind becomes still and we start releasing space and we go into infinity. It takes longer to do it that way than to do it this way. So I found people who train Qigong and train these internal arts, when you teach them meditation, they enter profound levels of stillness much more quickly because they were taking a different door to get into their system to calm everything down. Okay, well, I hope this helps on energy transformation, and I will see you guys in the next video. And girls, thank you.